Where?
Bro, why is there a beer bottle? Like the top of a beer bottle.
Yeah.
Do you see the top of it?
Back there, right? Next to that rock.
The trail might look small down there.
Mm.
That sand one. It's actually massive.
Yeah. I think I see someone there, right?
Okay.
People probably can climb this.
So this is the story. These three beautiful young ladies had fallen in love with three brothers from the Nepean tribe, yet tribal law forbid them to marry. The brothers were not happy to accept this law and so decided to use force to capture the three sisters, causing a major tribal battle. All the lives of the three sisters were serious in danger. A witch doctor from the Katuba tribe took it upon himself to turn the three sisters into stone to protect them from any harm. While he had intended to reverse the spell when the battle was over, the witch doctor himself was killed. As only he could reverse the spell to return the ladies to their former beauty, the three sisters remained in their magnificent rock formation as a reminder of this battle for generations to come.
That was a quick story.
Hey, one of them looks like a face. Look
Mm.
there. Look there.
No, there.
See, this is the first sister. Second
That
sister's
wouldn't have
behind
been
it.
there later.
And you can't really see the third sister.
Third sister might have been the youngest. I mean, the second.
So where's the river?
The heaps.
Oh, do you boys want a photo stand? Look at me, Charlie.
Remember my kids taking pictures of my face?
That is ridiculous. You do
Bro,
TikTok
get your
photos of
fucking
your
hand
face.
down.
No, I don't.
Just smile. Pretend you're happy. Make out you're having the most exciting day ever. There you go.
I want to walk down here,
No, you're not allowed to.
Why?
Bro, I'm at
It's dangerous.
Oh,
Very dangerous.
there's work there. I think one of the three of the steps broke.
It's the new Chinese gate. Oh, if we bring towels,
Because I'll take the bus in 2 hours.
And then you have to go inside. Can I go up?
alright, let's go.
Nice. Oh, this way the trail was in.
Yeah, this way is the more dangerous way. We went on a roof like this. Huh?
It's more interesting.
Yeah, but you need to watch out around here. Because I nearly just tripped over. You alright, Kels? Watch out here, Kels. Yeah, you can. It goes down.
You're gonna go there.
And plus, there's a broken tree there, anyways.
Look, you can go up, but it's all blocked off now.
And plus, it's all blocked off and people would have slipped into it.
Let's go. Let's go back. Did you go for actuals? Or did you like fake it?
Oh, we'll jump off the roof, Mum.
Watch out.
Oh, not again.
Bro, you should have brought your GoPro, eh?
Could have said.
Oh, yeah. You should have charged your phone last night.
Yeah. It wasn't fun. See, that would have been the way.
Oh, you got these on your foot.
And the foot. Go on, Mum.
See, this is where it leads up to, but it was kind of blocked off in the middle.
How come I jumped in your bag? It's been hot. What's it? Trust me, this will fit in now. It always does, man. I've got a big bag, me.
I'm only using my jumper for
You already puffed
recording.
out, Mum.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm using my jumper for is recording. And that's all.
I'm carrying the fucking backpack, which is full of shit.
Do you want me to carry it?
No, I'm good.
Go up and down, you know.
Cause if we're gonna go on the river, we should have bring some towels, eh?
No, was it right?
Nah. We'll dry off in the sun. Hey, Charlie. Come on, wait for me, Mum. Well, you could have came up this way, but that's dangerous because we've done that. We've done that at the camp and someone nearly fell. And we had to go through this like really tight thing.
Yeah.
It's like a cave where you have like the cave and you had to crawl through.
Okay.
There were like spiders everywhere. You can tell how many people went up here, eh? Carrying the footprints there. If we see a barefoot one, I'll be surprised. No, barefoot. You know where you go barefoot?
Oh,
Yeah. And there is bears in the shadow, just not around here. Mine's closed. Hey, it's a workout now. Well, just remember, there's a trail that goes down this way, goes back.
that goes for 1.5 hours. 5 hours. That goes for 5 hours, Mum.
But if you go back that way, I'm pretty sure it goes back to the trail.
Yeah. Are we walking back down it or not?
We're going to another place anyway.
Without being rain. Are we going to swim there?
Can't see them. We can stand in it and put the face, wash your hands and stuff.
Are you allowed to drink it?
Yeah.
Is it cool?
I don't know, maybe not. Because of the rain we had here. So we don't drink it.
We'll see when we get there.
You'll be able to see how cool it is. If it's really cool, then it's fine.
Oh, I wish you could swim in it. That'd be refreshing. Have a nice swimming for once in a while.
Oh, all the way back to you?
Yeah.
All the way.
Now just we keep heading this way. And back. Back to Echo Field. Imagine how some kids be rough. Oh, read the names on it.
Ryan.
N plus K.
They're gonna come back the next day and
P
try to rip it off.
plus J. 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 Wow, honestly, I thought that was it for a second. It's really too fun. I'm going over this way more because I'm walking in the middle.
Spider right back there.
The rat.
Yeah, I saw a big spider right there. I was gonna look at it. There's a big snake. That one in between the trees.
But I feel like someone left it there on purpose. It looks like Squishmallow up. It looks like a fallen bison.
I'm gonna pop it out.
No, I'm not.
That one, at first, I thought that one was a blue one. No, it looks like there used to be like big holes and something bullshit.
Yeah.
Now there's all in there.
Oh. Aren't you puffed that cow? Yeah.
Oh, I wanted to see a snake.
Charlie's clearing out of the spiderwebs for us.
I wanted to see a snake.
Yeah, remember you go skits? Wait, we don't need to go back up. We can go that way.
wait.
So quick.
The Spooners Lookout from, Mum, is this the way to the Spooners Lookout? Yeah. From Super World? Yeah. Yeah, I want to see the Spooners Lookout from Super World. And then there's a big opening here in the center road.
Yeah, and there's a fake snake.
Oh, look, there's a little birdie. Whoa. What? I thought it was a lizard at first. Oh, what? They left that on me. There used to be a big little thing here, opening, and people was on the edge there. That edge.
Oh, is this from when
Can't see the third one.
Yeah, the ones down the bottom.
Come over here.
Let's see them. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, right over there.
Yeah. If you go up there, you'll get a different view of them again.
And Super Wog's dad was hanging off the side of these.
Yeah, because of the treasure hunt, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mum, they wrecked the Spooners Lookout, eh? They used to be all or nothing. That video was old as. Imagine being this high up, or all the way over there. Oh, imagine if that person fell off there.
When he fell off, it was because it was only a movie. He had like a belt on.
Yeah. It would have had one of them green belts on, eh?
Yeah. That you can see through. Alright, I need to grab my Powerade.
You guys are living here, buddy.
Yeah. I wish you could swim in it, but you can't. That's totally different.
Oh, I wonder where the Spooners Lookout went, eh?
Pardon me.
Look at that.
Where the tweet? It's a jumpy. He's jumping. He's jumping. He's a jumpy. Here. He's guiding us. This is just. He's our guide. He or she.
You know, last year, you and me got put in the brushing nuts advertisement. Oh, hey, Mum. Yeah, for this year, you and me got put. You know how the camera came past and we're doing like a face for the camera?
Yeah.
They put us up on Facebook for this year's brushing nuts.
No.
Actually, Mum,
need
you
to
see
see
like the photo? It has me and you going. They used us as advertisement for this today for this year.
What is it gonna be there?
It's the advertise. I don't know. Yeah,
So it's
for
gonna
the
be there when
photo.
we go.
It has the photo and then it has all the things.
Oh. So it's gonna be there when we go.
Yeah.
So our picture's gonna be up there.
Yes. All the advertising, they might even put us back up there.
It's gonna be funny. Bro, if they're doing it and we had the tire wrong.
Wait.
What? In longer.
Oh, that's stingy. Oh, got me. Oh, look at the river, Mom. You see it? I saw it. Come. Wait, Caleb, come. Look at the rocks. There's water flowing.
Well, there is too.
Only a tiny bit.
It's gonna be heaps more when we go to the waterfall. So, Kel, when did someone didn't know that you were not allowed to swim in the river? Oh, it's great. Do you know what? I don't think it's broken Charlie, I could have said no on camera. I could have seen Daddy on camera. The girl that went past
Oh, you can see it way better now.
so much better than when we're over there. I'm pretty sure people go down there too. Look, go. Down there.
Yeah, you can. Oh no, not down there. You can't.
No, like they go down there. I don't know. I'm dumb.
I thought it was going to be less packed because of what everyone's
Oh, come here, come here. Queen Elizabeth, lookout. The most gracious.
Yeah, that's lovely. Thank you so
This
much.
reminds me of something.
Imagine falling off there.
Charlie, you should have seen my Powerade and nearly dropped off. Oh, I had
Do you want to stop here and have lunch, or do you want to wait till we get up to top of it?
yeah.
We'll have lunch and then we'll drive down to the next.
Or do you want to have lunch at the next one?
I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I
Oh,
swear.
yeah. Cool. Can I have lunch at the next one? The next place we go to?
If you want, but I'll see if you
I was gonna watch the waterfall. Oh, you
Oh, yeah, not to eat it all in one go.
gonna
Mama,
do the
say
same
I'm
thing?
tripping, I swear.
Oh, yeah, you
I swear in my head, I saw a big snake and said, yeah, in my head. I don't know why.
Charlie.
Huh? Come on, say it. Yes, go up now.
Charlie, are you gonna do the same thing as me where you eat that waterfall or what? Huh?
Yeah, eat at the waterfall.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat yet.
I'm not gonna have my lunch yet. I'm gonna eat at the waterfall.
I'll have a snack now.
We've done like 20 million steps, Mum. Huh? How many steps have we done?
What? 20?
2,000.
Well, I'll be trying to get longer, but and even Forrest.
Here's a hop, here's a tap, yeah.